Well, Maddie and I are going to our first blacksmithing class today in about 25 minutes. We're pretty excited.
I'm excited for this class. It should be fun. It'll be a good time with my dad.
What's your interest in blacksmithing?
Just knife making. I think it's really cool and should be fun.
You're going to be a blade maker?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. If we get to make a blade, what is the blade you're going to probably make? Or
I honestly have no idea.
Okay.
I'm going to kind of experiment and
learn.
Try a bunch of new stuff. Yeah.
Cool.
Exactly.
Looking forward to it.
That's called a hardy, and hardies are used for cutting. It has a pin right there that fits down inside. It's supported on the anvil right here. We can also use other tools. This is called a swedge block. And now I can round off my steel and have two hands free. Or a fuller or a guillotine fuller. We're going to use that tomorrow. And the first blow, number one, is going to be a glancing blow with my hammer, and it's going to knock this tip over, and there's number one going to go down. Right there, go, close it. Okay, tight, grab that, drop it over the top one, down, little down, down, there you go. Come back out towards us, right about there, go. Change hands, change hands, either that or take the thing off.
You can do it.
Don't worry, you're doing it, you're getting it. I'll slip through, there, stop. Hold on, I'm taking it just because you went a little far. There, now, the vise doesn't mind holding on to that hot son of a gun. While you get a hold of this, I'll get ready to open that. Okay, back to the fire, perfect. Now we gotta go the opposite direction. Right there, push down on that, lift up on the other. And then just change your grip. There's a good ring to that. So now, give me another set of bullpen tongs. Talking. Yeah, try this one. Yeah, that's good. Right like that. Just hold it there. Now, 5 seconds gone by. I say in 30 seconds we're going to start seeing some white straw.
Oh yeah.
See that color?
So that's the dog straw. And I see the blue on the bottom. Wow, you get all the colors.
Look at that. Oh, that's nice.
You've got light blue about halfway up. Now it's up on the tip.
I'll push this off like that. All right. Go to your collection. Okay, there's 5 seconds.